safety, please remain seated with your hands and feet inside.
It's the milk we make that's at the heart. Sweet inspiration from the very start. And you can taste the love all over the world.
And bits of cacao nut, slice them out to achieve that unique and signature flavor.
Oh, that's cocoa nibs into the smooth, dark liquid you.
Our pressing machines squeeze the unsweet chocolate in chocolate. Fresh milk is part of this year's Hershey's milk chocolate is delicious, sweet and tasty. Part of the milk foods are highly sweet milk and then blended with a perfect amount of unsweet chocolate. As the mixture cooks, it begins to form delicious sweetness that we call chocolate.